Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox this Tamiya F104 Pro II Formula 1 kit that comes with this body. Let's not waste any time and get started. Alright, this box is full to the brim. Alright, let's see what we have here. This is the F parts tree, and this looks like it's going to be the one of the arms. I think it's going to be, well, these are probably the front arms. These may be the lower front arms. And just some spacers right here. This looks like it's going to be the front wing. And that looks like it's going to be the nose and some other parts of the body. This is the driver figure helmet. And this is the body itself. Pretty cool. It's bigger than I imagined. It's pretty cool. Alright, this is going to be, you know what? I don't recognize this shape. I'm sure it's part of the body. Let's see if we can figure it out. So this is part of the, this is other side part of the body. I'm wondering if this is part of the wing. And I'm sure this is the other side of that same body. Here are those Formula 1 tires. One, I believe one is smaller. There you go. And here are the tires. Indeed, the front tires are a little bit smaller than the rear tires. Okay, and here we go. This is going to be the C tree. Looks like it's going to be part of the chassis. That looks like a motor mount to me. This is going to be, let's see. This one is going to be the H tree. I'll be guessing if I knew what this were, but it's probably the rear wing. And these are the wing mounts. I'm pretty sure about that. And this is going to be the D tree. See a little bit part of a damper right here, and just miscellaneous parts of the body. I'm still pretty new to F1, so I don't recognize everything. This is the chassis itself. It feels like it's some kind of composite. It's not carbon fiber, but it's very stiff, so it's pretty cool. Alright, let me grab this stuff first. So, Tamiya RC car disclaimer. This looks like it's the manual just for the body itself. Very cool. And here's the manual. Actually, this is a setup sheet. That's awesome. I'm sure it's in PDF as well, but it's nice to have. This is the manual itself. And here's the decal sheet. Of course, there's an antenna tube right there. Let's see, there's nothing else in here. Let me put this aside. This is going to be a parts bag. There's a lot of stuff in here. Looks like it's part of the deck. I think these are going to be the wheel hubs. See the diff grease. I see some bearings, pinion gear. There's a lot of stuff in here. So this is going to be the A parts bag. B is going to be this one right here. B, I see some turnbuckles. I see another piece of This is a carbon fiber piece right there. I see the front axles, the servo saver. I see some clips, double-sided tape, some foam. I saw a couple zip ties as well. So this is going to be the B parts bag. In the C parts bag, you will find parts of the damper, not dampers. Of course, the damper oil. This is a piece of foam tape and some more bearings. Looks like body clips, etc. So this is the C parts bag. This is part of the servo saver. This is part of the tuning adjustment for the rear wheels. And some more double-sided tape. And some body clips, a lot of screws. This looks like it's part of the dampers. And then it comes with 2 spur gears. I'm sure they're different tooth you can pick. All right. So that's everything that comes in the box when you purchase the Tamiya F104 Pro II chassis. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.